There is 20 medals on me. I'm gonna open up 10 and then open the rest tomorrow because it's late at night. Yeah, we're gonna do some dream medals. Hold on. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, pack number 1, it contains 1 medal. I like the packaging. Okay. Oh, first up we got Tattletale. Look. We got Tattletale. The only ones I want, I think, is Komasan and Finox and QB. Oh, we got Snartle. Nice. So that's 2. Duplicate Snartle. Great. I'm sorry. Hold on. Okay, I am gonna open the pack, but you might see. You have seen my face before, whatever. Just you see my face again, but this is only the last time. Don't mind this. Oh yes, we got Mama Donna. So that's 3. Oh, we got meadows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, it's charming. Let's see what it. Oh my god, we got Komasan. It's not the Hogger Day version. Because I think I see YouTubers get the Hogger Day version. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gotta be kidding me. 7 down. We got Draggy. He's awesome. I like Draggy. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 medals. 2 more, and then I'm ending this video. I'm dying the inside. Why does my life have to be like this? What? This is the last pack. Please be Finox or Cubit. Oh my god, guys. You cannot believe what I just got. A Jabonyon medal. I don't know if this... I don't know if I'm playing around or... I actually got a Jabonyon medal. I already have one since I got the Dream Watch. That's 10, but I think we're gonna open one more. Okay, we got Cap. Okay, now we're gonna end the video. Guys, please subscribe because I got a rare. I think I got Jabon's probably the rare. Let's run. Okay, bye.